Hi, it's Douglas. Today I would like to introduce a very well-sold and competitive car charger, SMS A15. This car charger comes with two outputs, 2.1 AMP and 1 AMP, which may supply power to two devices at the same time. Distinctive with most of the other models in the market, our charger is made of premium PC material, which is more environmental friendly and more durable. There is a built-in LED in the charger port, which is very easy to be used in the darkness. There are two colors available, black and white, and it's packed with an exquisite gift box, within which includes one car charger and one 3.1 AMP SomaStyle USB cable. Most importantly, the quality may be assured with the UL testing. Don't miss it. For more models, visit our website www.somastyle.hk. See you next time.